Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Cuan, and today we're going to be brewing a Rooibos Tea lager. I'm going to be brewing on the Brewster Beacon 30 litre. We're doing a lager, giving it a bit of a South African influence because we're going to be putting in Rooibos tea. So the reason why we're using Rooibos tea and African hops, we've been chatting to the guys at Hellbent and we're trying to do a bit of a collaborative brew. So we're going to test it out on the small system, just testing out quantities and how everything is going to mix together. We're using Southern Promise hops, Rooibos tea, and we're going to be using the AEB crisp lager yeast to get it fermented. My brewing experience, you guys have seen my brewing experience on the last YouTube video that I was on. That is my brewing experience. Let's get mashing in then. Brewster Beacon all set up. We're going to be mashing for 60 minutes. So this is going to heat up to 68 degrees and it'll keep it at a 68 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Just going to start off by putting in my water profile, using AMS and DWB for our water profile, and this is all from Murphy & Sons. That on. All right, so that's the recirculation pump fitted. Mash is going to sit here for an hour. Now we just sit and wait.
What's he done?
Nothing. It was just very. Is it not meant to be? Water that needs to go in. You can come up close in my. Don't get in my grill. PDDS? Huh? PDDS? No, the DMS. Last time we were talking, we were on DMS.
Sorry, what's happening here?
I'm marking out what my final amount of water needs to be.
With a pen? Can you?
Well, look, it's a magic pen. I could just mop it off afterwards. But right now, that's about where I need to get it to. Somewhere there. My water level from that side up to that side.
Nice.
Smart. So I'm just going to copy exactly what Jan did and lift this right to the way to the top. Just waiting for some of the water to drain off a little bit so it's a bit lighter.
See, never skip arm deck, yeah.
So we are using the Brewmonk sparge heater here. This makes it a little bit more convenient. You can heat up your sparge water and then pretty much get everything that you need done for sparging. If you can work out
the tap.
Work out the tap.
So what's your pre-boil volume?
33.4, I think.
Given up with your Brewmonk sparge here, have you?
Brewmonk is super efficient.
You're using the Brewix to fill up the Brewmonk.
You need to for your boil. Yeah, but I don't want it to boil right now.
It won't quite boil that quick.
Boiling! So we've reached boiling point, 100 degrees. We've going down on our 60-minute boil. First addition, hop addition, is our little hop tea bag.
What are we putting in?
That's 15 grams of Southern Promise, and I'm boiling. Ooh, that was close.
That's why you need to take that lid off earlier.
Just pop the bag in, get it in there. Okay, so in this recipe we needed to do a whirlpool addition. Whirlpool is basically where you mix the water round and round and round to get the solids, the beer solids and proteins and stuff to try and form a kind of pool at the bottom while you put the hops in. And in this instance, we're actually putting all the tea in. So it's going to be done at 78 degrees, sorry, 79 degrees for about 20 minutes.
Okay. That's okay. 20 minutes left. This is the Rooibos.
Rooibos tea, yeah. This is 350 grams of Rooibos tea, which I had to cut open. If you guys are wondering where to get Rooibos tea from, you can go to most South African shops will have it. Sorry, this is also 125 grams of the hops going in. Sorry, if you're wanting to know where to actually get the Rooibos tea from, I went to my local South African shop. They didn't have enough. Then I ended up going to Tesco's and they had tons of it. Yeah, so it does have a kind of a Rooibos-ness to it, but we are going to dry hop it, so it should probably pick up a bit more. I don't know.
How's it tasting so far?
It tastes like tea. No. It's quite bitter. Hopefully it should mellow out, but it's still quite warm at the moment. So.
Jesus, look at the color of that.
Transferring the wort into the fermenter, going a little bit higher than what we should do. It's probably sitting at about 17 degrees. We need to pitch the yeast at about 14. So it should cool down as it goes through into the fermenter though.
It's very orange. Take me through this color profile.
It's very orange, but that's the Rooibos tea. That is the color of a Rooibos tea. So it's definitely got the color. It's got a little bit of that Rooibos tea taste and aroma coming through as well. So it should be a good one. No.
Like, where's everybody else?
Oh, where's everyone else gone? I don't know. They've just left us.
How come this is taking you the longest? This is
Because I am actually using a lager yeast. That's why. The rest of the guys used Quebec yeast, which they can ferment at a higher temperature. They're fermenting at about 30 odd degrees. I've got to take mine down to 14 degrees. And this is the AB crisp lager yeast.
It's just one big pile in the middle like a sand dune.
What else am I supposed to do? So we're going to be fermenting under pressure with this one. If you want to know more about fermenting under pressure, we have got a full video regarding fermenting under pressure, but basically this is the apparatus. I'm just going to pop all of this in. It's all been sanitized. Just give it some more. So we put it into the Firmzilla all-rounder. It'll hold pressure up to 2.4 bars. Basically what's going to happen is while the yeast is producing alcohol, it's going to build up pressure inside the vessel. So I'm going to pop the regulator on. So yeah, we're hoping that pressure will build up to about a 2 bar mark. And then we'll just monitor that over the next couple of days. So I'm going to pop it into the fermentator, set the temperature to 14, and away we go. That should be it. Hopefully in the next few days we should see some activity and get this beer into bottles.
So you can go home now, hey?
I don't know.
No, you have to watch the all-in-one system.
Okay. Had fun doing that. Let's crack open this beer and see what it tastes like. You want a sexy shot?
Ooh, looks good.
Canned it a little bit early. Does need a little bit more time to carbonate, but other than that, it smells good and it tastes good. So we brewed this using a German type of recipe using Belgian grains. We use Rooibos Tea. I'm from South Africa and that's quite a popular tea there. And we wanted to just try something a little different. So when we started brewing it, it had some great color. It's now settled and now we're getting that real kind of red Rooibos Tea colors coming through on it. It's definitely got that Rooibos Tea smell, of definite tea flavors coming through. We're getting a bit of floral coming through, a slight bit of honey, but you can definitely taste the lager. All in all, really happy how it turned out. So yeah, if you like the look of this recipe, we're going to put this all online for you to get. Give it a go, let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, happy brewing.